Truly delicious homemade ice cream is a refreshing summertime treat, and it doesn't require a fancy ice cream maker. Today I will share 3 recipes of my summer faves. You are on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie, and let's start. For Snickers ice cream we need very cold heavy whipping cream, caramelized condensed milk and roasted salted peanuts. Pour heavy cream into a mixing bowl and whip it until stiff peaks. Add caramelized condensed milk and mix it on low speed. In spare bowl, add peanuts, 2 tablespoons of ice cream mixture and mix it together. Transfer the mixture to container. Place peanuts coated in cream on top and freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. Serve ice cream with some salted caramel or caramelized condensed milk and more peanuts. For pistachio ice cream we need very cold heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, pistachio paste, roasted pistachios and matcha powder. Matcha is optional in this recipe, but I recommend to use it. You will not feel the taste of it, but it will give some beautiful color to your ice cream. Pour heavy cream into a mixing bowl and whip it until stiff peaks. Add condensed milk, pistachio paste, matcha powder and mix it on low speed. Transfer the mixture to a container. Sprinkle roasted pistachios on top and freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. For butter pecan ice cream we need heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, pecan nuts, unsalted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon powder. In a medium saucepan place pecans, brown sugar, cinnamon and butter. Place it over medium heat. Cook for 5 minutes or until pecans begin to look sticky and mixture thickens slightly. Remove from heat and pour pecans into condensed milk mixture. stir to combine. Set aside. Pour heavy cream into a mixing bowl and whip it until stiff peaks. Add vanilla extract and condensed milk with pecans. Mix it on low speed. Transfer the mixture to container and freeze for 4 to 6 hours. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of it.